Hello friend, in this video we're gonna discuss about the exclusivity clause in a contract. Exclusivity in a contract when two parties agree to work only with each other for a specific product, service or in particular area. The main purpose of exclusivity clause is to ensure the dedication and the commitment from both the parties for a specific project and the product for which both the parties executed a contract, which restrict the party to work with the competitor. You often find the exclusivity clause in an employment agreement wherein employee cannot work for the other employer during the term of the contract. So that is the fundamental and the brief about the exclusivity clause. You should keep in mind few consideration while defining or drafting the exclusivity clause or even at the time of negotiation as well. So first of all is the time framework. Exclusivity clause generally lasts for the contract term, but sometimes it extend beyond the terms of the contract. Maybe you can say cooling off period of say 6 months, 9 months, depending on the commercial uh, aspect of that contract. Second is the drawback. Exclusivity contract, or I would say clause, sometimes can limit your opportunity and put you under the financial burden. The third one is the benefit you have to keep in mind. Exclusivity clause can provide you a lot of benefit and can make you a trendsetter in your industry because you can control the other party can work with. You can decide their players. You can limit their access to the market, which often the case and make the product and service quite unique and distinctive. Otherwise, it will lose its uniqueness if your service provider or your raw material provider provide the same component to the other competitor. Just think from that perspective. And then I would say negotiation is the key. If you are either party or the either side and negotiating this exclusivity contract, I would say if the other party is binding you for some exclusive arrangement, always go for the longer duration and the large deal, because small deals will not be fruitful and from the economic point of view, because you have to be dedicatedly work with that person for a small amount of time for a small deal which is not economically lucrative deal. And be reasonable while defining or while put it into the words of this exclusivity contract. Be reasonable, otherwise it might be challenged in the court of law. So this is all about the exclusivity clause in an agreement. Thank you so much for watching this video.